How to create playlists on YouTube. But before that, if you don't know what is YouTube, it is a global online video sharing and social media platform where users can upload, view, share, and comment on videos, in which it has become one of the most visited websites in the world. And the platform hosts a variety of content, including entertainment, educational tutorials, music videos, news, vlogs, and live streams. So now the first thing that you need to do is to simply go to youtube.com and make sure to simply sign in your Google account or your YouTube account in here. And now to proceed creating a new playlist, you could also proceed by going to your YouTube Studio by clicking your profile icon on the top right corner and click this option YouTube Studio. Upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed on this page right here. Now as you can see, you're currently on your channel dashboard. And by clicking the content option on the left side panel, it will show you all of your videos available in here. So you can simply click on the videos and also click in here to see what your videos looks like to the user point of view. Then you will be directed in here. And now as you can see, this is basically what it looks like. And now to start creating a playlist for your videos, the first thing that you need to do from here is to simply click the three dots button in here. By doing so, just click the save button to proceed. And it will show you the option to watch later, which will allow you to save the videos you came across but you don't have time to watch it immediately. But now to start creating a new playlist, just click new playlist button right here. And upon doing so, the first thing that you need to do is to simply fill out or enter here the title of the playlist. For example, tutorial videos. And also under visibility, you can choose either to make it public, unlisted, or either private in here. So from here, you can simply select which kind of visibility do you prefer to select in here. In which by choosing public, anyone can search and view this kind of playlist. Or you could also make it private if you only want to be able to access it or view the playlist. But in those option, I'm going to choose the public one. By clicking the public option, the next thing that we need to do below here is we could also turn on this collaborate to enable to share this our playlist to others. And by clicking the create button in here, it will automatically be directed us or show us also on this pop-up window the option to collaborate or share our playlist. And in order to do so, we can simply copy the invite link or we can share it to YouTube users also so that they can access our own playlist that we created. And now after adding a playlist, you can also navigate on the left side panel on this YouTube Studio and you should be able to see here the playlist on the left side panel. But if you don't see it in here, you could also go to your homepage of your YouTube account in here. And upon clicking or going back on this page, you should be able to see on the left side panel by clicking these three lines on the top left, the playlist option. And if you try to click on it, you should be able to see here all of your playlists. So as you can see, we have here this YouTube tutorial that we just created earlier. By clicking on it, you should be able to see here all of the videos in here. As you can see, we only have here one videos. So we can add more depending on the videos that we want to add. And to do that, just simply go to our YouTube Studio once again by clicking the icon on the top right corner and click this option YouTube Studio. And after that, from here, you could also navigate our content. And upon clicking the content option on the left side panel, just click the playlist option or section in here. And in here, just click these tutorial videos and click the pencil icon. Upon doing so, from here, we could also start customizing or changing the title and even add a description for our playlist in here. For example, for this description, I'm going to add video about step-by-step process of navigating of using platform. Now aside from that, you could also navigate this default view order and by clicking the videos option on the left side panel, it will show you all of the videos where you could also edit by clicking the edit in YouTube on the top right corner. And from here, by clicking on it, you'll be directed on this page. And to add more videos, in here, just click this plus button. And after that, just simply select the videos on your channel that you want to add in this playlist. So by simply clicking, for example, this one, just click add videos button to proceed. Now, as you can see here, we have now successfully added two videos in this playlist, in which creating playlists is important for both viewers and content creators, since for viewers, playlists help organize videos by topic or interest, making it easier to find and watch related content without searching repeatedly. While for content creators, playlists enhance channel organization, improve viewer retention by encouraging continuous watching, and increase the chance of videos being discovered through YouTube algorithm. So aside from that, you could also add a playlist using your mobile phone. Just simply open the YouTube application on your phone. And from here, we can simply select here the videos, for example, by clicking these three dots. Just simply select here, save to playlist button to proceed. By clicking on it, we can add here to our own or different playlists. We have here YouTube tutorial, watch later. Or you could also create a new playlist by clicking this new playlist button on the top of it, in which we need to enter the title, the visibility, and even turn on the collaboration method if you want to share it to other people. And after that, to navigate the playlist, just click the view your channel or it will show you the playlist already in here. By viewing our channel in here, you should be able to see the playlist, which is this playlist section. And after that, it will now show you our playlist that we just created earlier. Or we can also edit it by simply clicking this edit button to edit the title, the description, and even the visibility, and many more. So overall, that is just basically how you can create playlists on YouTube.